a quick Papa Texas vlog. Yeah, I need some blue tea. There we go. Alright, check this out. Here's my new ones. Check that out. They're growing. What's growing? The corn ain't doing too well over there. On your left, it's going to be peas, okra, lettuce, and carrots. And then the corn. Look at that. Yeah. Let's go look at my potatoes. Yeah. Oh wait, if I can get those, if I can get that corn to grow, they're going in these tubes that I cut up. You might have seen that video. Hey, let's go look at the potatoes. Alright, here we are. Check that out. I got that big drum right there. Look at them. Oh, I've been raising the dirt on them, but aren't they looking good? Let's go look at my tomatoes. Alright, we got some tomatoes on that little boy, that one there. Hang on. We got a tomato right there. We got some flowers going over there. Yeah. I only have 6 plants going. But we got some tomatoes. Here's my cucumbers. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not weeding the garden this year, but that's what we got. They're going up on this trellis. Can you see that? Yeah. Alright, that's just a fun, quick video. I didn't show you all this stuff I need to mow and weed eat and move and sell and get rid of and trash and all that kind of stuff. But y'all have a fantastic rest of the week. Hope you're staying healthy. Keep away from other people. People wear masks out there. Yeah. Me and my business partner, we've let all the employees go. Not go. No, they're staying home. We're still paying them so far. Anyway, he and I, we're taking turns. We have to go to the hospitals and medical and stuff. That's just one portion of our job. We switch off and they check your temperature, and you got to answer all these questions every time you go. Yeah. I'll tell you about my pizza experience. Maybe tomorrow. It's Papa Texas vlog. It's Papa. Papa Texas back there somewhere. The big W made me that. Hit that bell and subscribe to keep up with more entertaining videos while you're stuck at home. My mama says I'm entertaining. Yeah. Chin chin. Y'all take care. It's Papa Texas. See ya.